So I am currently packing. We have about 48 hours in Vegas ahead of us. I have all of my stuff ready in this corner here. So it is Super Bowl Sunday, so I have this like Y2K outfit that I'm gonna wear for Super Bowl Sunday. I have just a black dress for the night we go out, but I decided to pair it with this blue Steve Madden bag. I think it'll be so cute. I have this swimsuit I thrifted, this swimsuit top that I thrifted that I'm going to wear for the pool day, and then for my travel day, I just have the tank top that I thrifted that's hot pink with some jeans. I sort of have a mix and match of different things just in case, but mostly that is going to be the outfits that I stick with. And we are going to pack it up into this bag because we are leaving bright and early tomorrow morning. So let's get packed. I'm really, really excited for this outfit. I think it's going to be really, really cute. Okay, so I'm mostly packed now. I just need like my toiletries and stuff. And I'm going to be bringing that jacket, but I think I'm just going to carry it with me. And yeah, I don't need to bring like my laptops or anything. And tomorrow I'll grab my charger, but now I just need to work on accessories. All right, these are accessories I'm bringing. I have these rose clips that I thought were so cute. And so I'm going to bring those to put in my hair. I have these little earrings that I haven't worn yet, but I'm excited to. A bride clip just for fun, to put my hair up by the pool. And then just some hair accessories I want to try to wear. And then some bracelets that I'm going to be wearing. And then, of course, some sunglasses. So I'm going to put all of these into a little accessory bag. Good morning, everyone. It is bright and early, and we are getting ready to head out for Vegas. I'm super excited. First, we need our Celsius. It's gonna be a long day, so we have like 48 hours in Vegas, and it's gonna be sort of non-stop today because this is the party day. I have my retro vibe flavor. It's my favorite one, and we have to get going because we have a lot to do today. We're gonna be up until like 2 a.m. probably. And yeah, we have dinner reservations at Hell's Kitchen at 10, I think, 10 p.m. So yeah, but as far as I know, we're gonna get there, have lunch, go to the hotel pool and hang out for a little bit. And then we're going to be on the strip for a little bit. We're gonna go to our dinner reservation at Hell's Kitchen, and then go out. And then after that, we're going to go to bed and wake up and go to one of the nice breakfast buffets, and then go watch the Super Bowl somewhere, and then head out later that evening. So it's gonna be go, 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 and we have to get ready for that. But I'm excited. I'm trying to look forward with positivity. Vegas is not my thing, so I don't get to do this often, but we are getting ready to go. We just had lunch and now we're getting some coffee at Seven Leaves. My usual day house coffee. Yum. We just got to the first stop. This was my travel outfit. We're gonna go hang out and get ready for the afternoon, evening, long day ahead of us. Wow. We got this new Fireball to try. See, it tastes like Apple Jacks. And I drink it with Dr. Pepper. When?
Goddamn, bro! I thought
high level on this one.
I thought they shut that down.
You can do it now.
Wow. room is so big and nice. This is the fit for dinner tonight. I redid my makeup from this morning. We are going to, I think, teppanyaki, which should be good. And then we have like a little party bus situation happening for our friend's 30th. But that's the update. Not much has happened. We just checked into our room and got changed. So, should be lots of fun.
I see those.
Dinner time. We have a strawberry hibiscus drink. Wow. This is my first time at Fogo de Chao for dinner. The cheesy bread is delicious. I have my first round of sides here, and then I have some garlic sirloin. Yummy!
Cheers, I can't see the camera.
I did not do this in LA.
You guys, there's famous UFC fighters at the restaurant behind us. You can't see them right now, but the guy like won his fight today. Congrats to him. One of our friends put us on red. I am stuffed from dinner. We are now in the Venetian and we have our bus soon. But we have some time to kill. We are now at the Venetian. This guy is hollering and singing. Next we're going to the -5 ice bar. It's giving winter chic. Oh my god, it's for you guys. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is the Glinda. It's like a strawberry daiquiri. It's so good. And the cup is made of ice. It is very cold in here. But there's a shark. Also, there's Charmander and Mega Man. Lots of fun stuff. This is definitely a samurai. That's cool. It looks like my boobies. That looks like my cat. I requested this. I should request an espresso, but this is okay. We just were at Tao for a few, and now we're going to the next place, but they're doing construction on this big, giant, like, round place. Like, look at that. That's crazy. I don't know what that's gonna be, but it looks cool. Oh my god. You could tell it was so good. Getting on the party bus. You guys were on a party bus. There's a pole in front of me. This is crazy. It's cold as fuck. All right, it is the next morning. Since we spent a lot of money, more than we thought yesterday, we are just gonna go to Denny's for breakfast and then figure out where to watch the Super Bowl. But this outfit is exactly how I had pictured it. So 2000s, so cute. But this is the outfit of the day, and then we're gonna go to Denny's, get some food, and then just hang out on the strip for today. So this is the outfit. It might be too cold for it, so I might have to throw my jacket on, but I'm like loving it. Oh my god, yum. I got cinnamon roll pancakes, lumberjack breakfast. I'm gonna devour. Now we're looking for Super Bowl stuff. They have like yardline. The Rio trying to grab a spot for the Super Bowl. Each starts in a little bit, I think. I'm very excited. Actually, my team's not in it, and I actually don't love the two teams in the Super Bowl, so.
Okay.